What's up, guys? We're going to be checking out the Hinge hinge system for garage doors today. So let's get into it. All right, so yes, we have the Ollie conduit finished on this half of the garage. Up on the ceiling, you can see there all the lights turn on with the switches. If you haven't seen those videos for this build series, go check those out. I'll link them in the description and then up top with the cards. But now we got to get to insulating the garage. So this garage is heated. We just have a single heat vent over here. But garage doors are notorious for leaking air. And I'll show you why. If you can see here, that garage door can very easily be pulled off the seal and air can leak in. That keeps air in, that blows dirt in. It pretty much just isn't a great seal. So these green hinges systems are pretty much spring-loaded hinges so that they press the door against the seal so that the edge seal is properly mounted. We'll end up replacing the edge seals as well, but that'll be in a future video once it's warmer. It's cold outside, so our main focus is to get the hinges on, and we'll replace the seals later. Let's go ahead and get this box opened. All right, so open it up right away. Yeah, save money, save energy. That's their big thing. Green hinge system, overhead door performance, best sealing system ever made, they claim. So, heard really good things about these. We're gonna test it out and see what we like it. Gives you a little instruction, installation instructions on just what to do. Tell you not to remove the top and bottom seals. You can see there all the hinges, but all the other hinges can be replaced on the side. Here are our hinges. So it's a nice, like, seems almost like a powder coated or some sort of durable coating. But there you can see there's a spring. If we come over to your normal hinge, no spring. Over here we can see spring. As far as size goes, so you can see it's a bit bulkier of a hinge, just the whole thing in itself. And they have the slots and everything, which will allow a little bit of motion up and down, so it should have fit most garage doors. Also, we bought some nylon rollers just so that it's nice and quiet. These, you can see, are nice and quiet just as far as rolling, and just the plastic on the rubber will, and the nylon on the metal track will just be nice quiet. We eventually plan to remove that overhead garage door to one of the side mounts ones because we were going to get a lift in here, especially for my dad's truck. We can't lift it high enough with this rack and the garage door, so that'll all be getting rid of. So once we have that garage door opener, these hinges, and these rollers, it'll be nice and quiet as the door goes up and down. Just kind of a nice little feature, so nothing totally necessary, but it's kind of cool. Printed on the bottom of the hinge, you can see there's a 1, 2, and 3, so that tells you your hinge location. Coming over here, you can see hinge location 1, and then it just goes up. So they are varying in sizes. As you can see, the smaller one, 1, 2, and 3, kind of gets larger. Also to note, you're not replacing any of the middle hinges. It is only the outer ones near the seals. Alright, since we have a metal on metal contact with the hinge here and the roller, we are going to add a little bit of grease to this rod just to prevent excessive wear. And it'll probably be quieter because of it too. So just a little bit, throw it on, good to go. Alright guys, check this out, look. Ton of flex. Not nearly as much, that's awesome. Already looking better. Alright, there we go. Sweet, it works. Awesome. Forgot about that. But a lot. lot less play in the door. Alright guys, so probably just a quick little video of putting those together, but honestly, it's going to help seal this garage door up, keep the air in, the warm air in, especially in the winter, and just keep dust and everything else out of the garage. So all in all, it's going to be a nice, kind of small, but nice improvement to the garage. If you're interested, I'll link them in the description so you go buy them, but appreciate you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Can't forget the GoPro though. Let's go.